Hi, I'm Josh from Dent Perfection. I did this video to show severe damage that can be repaired with extreme paintless dent removal. This is a new Chevy Silverado 2500 High Country. We're looking at the passenger side rear door. I was able to keep this door from being grinded down and filled with Bondo, and my repair allowed this truck to remain new and factory original. There was no Carfax, and the vehicle's resale value was preserved. Here's a look at the vehicle inside and cleaned off before I began the repairs. As I pan around it, you'll notice in the center of the damage there are white marks. Those are actually scratches from the impact of whatever hit it. And I was able to wet sand and buff those completely out, and this prevented having to do any paint work at all over the original factory finish. Here's one more look at the damage before I began. After I removed the molding, this is looking at it in one of our Paintless Dent Repair lights. These lights allow us to read the different shades and shadows of the damage, as well as the incredible detail of the paint finish. I needed to start this repair by first releasing the pressure or tension in the metal. I did this by using a special paint-safe PDR hot glue and bonded pulling tabs to specific areas of pressure on the panel. I then hooked to the tabs and did slow controlled tension pulls. I balanced the pulling pressures, and with constant tension I carefully worked the pressure traps in the panel that we refer to as crowns, and I used a variety of hammers and knockdowns to do this. This relieves those high spots of metal cleanly while directing them back into the lows of the panel. I continued this until most of the pressure was relieved and the basic shape was restored. The next step is to use steel rods with different tips, diameters, and bends to push remaining lows from the back side of the panel. Some of these tools are adjustable and threaded to accept different ends. We push the metal in a slow, precise manner to massage it and manipulate it to gradually move it. It takes skill to do this without stretching it, leaving push marks in the panel, or cracking the paint. Correct placement of our specialized lights is crucial. Constant adjustments and repositioning of them is done as the repair progresses until finished. Here are the different tips that can be used on the adjustable tools and the knockdowns that are threaded as well. And then these are the extensions to make them longer for different leverage and access. We also use a special cloth heat-resistant tape to wrap our tool tips with, as well as leather. Interior trim may need to be removed to accomplish the access required. Sometimes the entire panel needs to be removed, other times the glass or other inner components as well. Other times, access can be achieved through factory locations like the electrical wiring boot or down the window by protecting and wedging the glass. Here's an after look in our repair light. Notice how the lines stay proportional and consistent as they reflect through the panel. If they were to get wide, narrow, or inconsistent, it would indicate low spots or high spots still remaining. There are none at this point, which shows that all the damage has been removed and the repair is complete. Here's one final look at the door in natural reflection with the molding reinstalled. If there's anything that you need, we can be reached at 616-345-DENT or info@dentsperfect.com. There's also an estimate request form on our website, dentsperfect.com.